So this is how you use PowerPoint presentations. You are going to use PowerPoint to create a PowerPoint on the layers of the Earth. So first thing you do is you create a blank slide like this. And to add slides, you click on the left-hand side button here, New Slide button. And so that you don't have that boring white background, you can change the background by going to Themes and then clicking here. These are preset themes. Or if you like, you can change just the background color. I prefer that you just change them all to one solid color. That's up to you though. As long as it's clear and it makes sense, it could be red. This is a nice one here. So your title should be The Layers of the Earth. And you need to have on your PowerPoint images. So let me show you how to cut images and paste images, and then how to add text. Let's start off with the text. I'm going to click on the second slide here. Here it says click to add text. So here's what you add facts to your PowerPoint. For example, we know that there are 3 layers. There are 3 compositional layers. Of Earth. So you can start talking about one. For example, this slide could be about the first one, which would be, let's say, the core or the middle of the Earth. Now, how do you get pictures? This is how you do it. So open up Google.com using your web browser. You can use Safari. If your computer has Firefox, that works as well. When you go to Google, you just want to search, let's say, for the core of the Earth. And some hits start coming up. Hits are just these images here. You click on images in the top tab, and you have a lot of them. I really like this image right here. So what you would do is you click on the image, and it'll pop up in this version. And I'm using right now Safari. Use your 2 fingers at the same time and click on it, using 2 fingers at a time. You'll see this menu. If you didn't see this menu, you did it wrong. Go to copy image. Then I'm going to minimize this here so it's still around in case I need it. Same thing. Click on this box here so it goes away. Click 2 fingers. If the box keeps coming out, do it on the outside. Paste. When the image is there, you can resize it by dragging a corner like this, so it doesn't get in the way of the text. You can add arrows so that you can have more information. To do that, you go to, click back on the home button, and then you have these options here. Here you could put a picture, video, or sound. This is the shape. So let's say I want to put an arrow so I can explain further what this picture is showing me. This arrow here. You make a box making the arrow. You can write words in the arrow. If you double click it, those are too small. You can't see those letters. So what you can do is double click the words and then change the size of the words by going back to home and then moving this number here, making it bigger. Still too small, you can make it even bigger. Make it bold if you need to. So remember, go back to the blog if you need more specific instructions, but you are to create a PowerPoint presentation that tells me about the 3 layers, the 3 compositional layers of the Earth. You have today to work on it, and it needs to be done by Thursday, Friday, depending on which class you have. That is the end of this video. Raise your hand if you need more help.